aquí la pepa del cacao ya seca, lista para comercializar.
Okay, bueno, so this is the seeds, the cocoa beans that have been fermented and dried, and they're ready for the next stage.
Luego tenemos acá la tostada de la pepa.
Okay, and then we toast the seeds, the cocoa beans. ¿Cuánto tiempo se tuesta?
15 minutos a una temperatura bien alta.
Okay, so 15 minutes on a high heat. We're going to toast them. A ver, podemos ver. It's hot. Está caliente.
Sí.
It's hot. So now we peel them. Pelamos. This is the cacao nib, and you can eat it like this. It's delicious. It's really yummy. ¿Ustedes lo comen mucho?
Sí.
Yeah, they've grown up eating this all the time. Les da fuerza.
Siempre los probamos para tener energía.
They try it so they have energy. It's known to also reduce your appetite, so we need to eat these before a meal. They're really nice hot. They taste so much nicer. Do you want to try some, Me? Try that. One for me and one for me. At the moment, it doesn't really taste like chocolate, but once we grind it, which we're going to do in a minute, then it'll start to taste more like the chocolate that we know. So we're going to grind organic beans and 100% pure cacao cocoa. So we'll see if we like it. Fuerza.
Lo tiene que probar usted.
Sí, ¿puedo hacerlo?
Claro.
You need to be strong. Wow. Esta fuerza, músculo. Que tiene. This smells of chocolate. It's amazing. So it has the aroma of the bean and the fermentation, so you know it's been...
Ahí huele.
Lo huele, ¿no? Can you smell it? It's incredible. Cane, it's sugar cane, just plain unprocessed and organic sugar cane. So now they're going to...
Ya. Ahora vamos a ponerle panela.
So this is the organic sugar cane with the rest of the beans, and we're going to grind them.
Ahora sí.
¿Lo hago yo? Ok, ahora tengo fuerza.
Siga nomás. Ya.
Muy bien.
Ahí pueden degustar.
Bravo, muy
De
bien.
los dos
Ahí puede
sabores.
probar.
So you can add different things to this. 100%, that becomes a paste. That's the cocoa mass, la masa, no?
Sí, ahí
So-
sale la masa.
La masa. So this is cocoa mass. This has had the cane sugar. This you can, well, both you can just drink as hot chocolate. And you can use this as a base for your chocolates.
Se puede poner sabores.
Sí.
Y se le pone esencia de vainilla.
Wow. That tastes amazing. Now this with the cane sugar. And the color is lighter.
Cambia el color.
Sí.
Ahí fue.
Chocolate teeth. Wow. Eso es increíble. That's divine. That's real chocolate. That es gusto de chocolate.
Sí.
Well, you can add stuff to it. So you can add vanilla, you can add orange essence, or you can add different, or chili. I think cayenne pepper with that would just be incredible, chili. So I asked them what people's reactions were when they tried this, and they said that people are amazed. They love the taste. And often they add things like vanilla and cinnamon. We know cinnamon goes really well. But I love it just plain because you can taste the fermentation. You can see how well the beans have been treated, how well they've been kept and fermented. And the taste is so amazing. You don't want to add anything to it. It's just pure cacao. It's pure expertise as well. This is how it should be done. Lo máximo, ¿no? Lo máximo. Yeah. Muchas gracias.